Hey you guys, what is up? I'm Josie Bunn and I make fashion and DIY content. Welcome back to my channel, or hello if you are new here. I thought it would be really fun to show you guys some more unique pieces that I've cultivated and created some monochromatic all black outfits for you guys. Now this was really fun to do and quite a big challenge because I myself love a monochromatic aesthetic, but as you can probably tell by my outfit today, I don't really use that or utilize monochromatic in the way that I really feel like you can utilize it and really give a really high-end polished look. If I'm wearing all one color, it's usually because I'm wearing workout gear or loungewear of some sort or like a pajama set. Let me jump into some of my all black essentials for an all black wardrobe. Obviously, I don't have an all black wardrobe, but we're just gonna be talking about these pieces here today. This first outfit utilizes a lot of really great basics, like this Apartment 9 turtleneck that I thrifted. It's got this great button detailing down the sleeves, and I really like the subtle knitted details of this sweater, and it honestly just pairs so well and really upscales this outfit with these leather joggers that I have. These leather joggers feel like pajamas, so they are quintessential to my fall wardrobe. Basically, they are so comfortable to wear, but especially when styled like this, I feel like it's just really elevated and really creates a really smart street style vibe. To this, I paired with it my vintage leather coach, of course, in black. It's got these really nice brass pieces of hardware. I've also got my shoes. These are an amazing pair of shoes from the brand 9 Degrees, and I honestly love them. They have this marble heel, it's rounded, and then these peep toe and they're faux leather. They're honestly just such a unique cut. The ankle is exposed. They're also really soft and really comfortable. That material is just so luxurious against my skin, and despite me shaking in the cold, they're really comfortable. Along with these really unique glittery sunglasses in black and silver, they pair really well as well. Outfit 2 is, of course, a modern marvel. I am obsessed with this. I cannot stress enough how much I think a statement piece elevates a monochromatic outfit any day. So as you can see, this bodysuit is an incredible vintage piece. It does have a little bit of a casualty on that sleeve there, as you saw, but I mean, it's on the back, who really cares? It's got this mesh paneling, these sequin sleeves, these extreme shoulder pads, and this beaded just accoutrement around the bust area as well as on the sleeve. It's just stunning. It's an amazing way to style an all black outfit, or really any monochromatic look, is to just make sure you have a piece that is really head-turning and stunning. And obviously this one is probably not going to be exactly everyone's cup of tea or in everyone's wardrobe, but I do highly recommend finding these big statement pieces that make you feel good and pairing them with your more basic pieces. So as you can see, I've got this paired with some tiny sunglasses, some leather leggings from Express. These are fleece lined, so they're great for the cold. As you can see my breathing, and some basic Clark's booties as well. Outfit number 3 is again really easy in my opinion to recreate because it consists of 3 major pieces. So obviously this beautiful oversized leather blazer paired over top of this tight bandage dress from shopakira.com, and these tall, not quite to the knee boots that are a fall staple for me. They're so comfortable and easy to walk in, and obviously they cover up some of the legs, so it keeps you a little bit warmer when you are wearing a dress in the colder months like I am here in the Midwest. And with accessories, I have gone really simple with this and just paired it with my vintage Nordstrom bag that I thrifted, and I am honestly obsessed with it. Fits everything I need, and it's just so stylish and so cute. I like to tie my longer bags, my crossbodies, so that they are more of a shoulder bag. To me, that's just more stylish, but of course, you do you. Outfit number 4 is honestly, I mean, I'm gonna say this about every outfit, but it's one of my favorites. It is this beautiful French blouse. It is thrifted, of course. I actually purchased this one online from a vintage store, so I will go ahead and link that below if I can find it again. But this was a splurge for me for sure. As you can see, the details are immaculate on this one. It is absolutely stunning. with the details. And for something that is this dramatic, I needed to pair it with something much more casual on the bottom. So I went with my favorite pair of black Levi's and my Clark's boots, just to keep this a little more on the casual side with something that is this amazing. You sort of need to pare it down, if you will, just to ensure that the piece actually stands out and stands on its own. You definitely don't want your outfit competing with itself. That would be bad. Outfit number 5 is really awesome. I love this one. It's so comfortable. These pants were thrifted. They're originally from 9 West. The boots are thrifted, but they are originally from Shein. I love a good chunky boot and plaid pant. These are nice because they are a nice grid print, which, I mean, I don't know if that's technically cheating because they do have white in them and these are supposed to be all black, but we're not going to talk about that right now. What we are going to talk about is this sheer Fredericks of Hollywood blouse paired underneath this cropped knitted sweater. I think playing with the translucency of the fabrics you're wearing can really help you layer up an outfit and actually layer more. Because if this were an opaque top, I think I wouldn't love this outfit as much. I love that you can see the print underneath it and it sort of changes the print a little bit, so it almost feels like print mixing, but it's not. And I just love that. I think it feels so special. So I do just want to say thank you guys again for over 300 subscribers. I am so excited. I hope you've been enjoying the Halloween-y content that I have out so far. I thought an all black capsule wardrobe wasn't necessarily Halloween-y, but it's definitely October-y. I thought it definitely would fit the theme, the overarching theme of like spooky vibes. So I hope that you guys liked this video as well. If you are interested in DIY or fashion content, I do request formally that you like this video or subscribe or leave me a comment letting me know what your favorite color to wear monochromatically is. I think that would be a really fun conversation. Or do you wear monochromatic outfits on the regular? But I do just want to thank you guys so much for watching and let you guys know that I will see you again next week. Bye!